Thank you, everyone. This Masbate trip is that we went through for last April, and I made this just want to share my experience of this province, the resort of the beach, and this wonderful trip as well. I want to give you some valuable experience and sharing with you how to go there because comparatively it's not easy to visit Masbate, especially go to Ticao Island because they don't have very simple way to just go there. This is the ferry, in fact, it's a small one, right? So this is the ferry we go to the Ticao Island. It's more than 1 hour, so from Masbate seaport. We're sitting inside. Okay. Then after we unboarding from the Ticao Island, and then anyway, let me let you know the landing place of the ferry to Ticao Island. So after we arrived at Lagundi, in fact it's a very long distance from here to the island resort. So there's no way to public transportation to go there because the distance is so far. So we have to ride on a private bike. Ticao Island Resort is a very great place. It's you can see there's a nature. It's a nature resort, and it's all around by green villas and the sea and those trees, and they have provide the free horse riding and a quick yacht. So it's a quite wonderful place. Their food here is also very nice. This resort will provide a lot of activity. I think it's also a travel agency, so we just directly book from this resort to go to the Halea Nature Park, and this is the highlight of the travel of Masbate. We and my wife, we just rent one small boat, a canoe, and we with a tour guide to go there. So one of the things that's so beautiful along the way when we go there, we can see different kind of the island with different shapes, and along the side we also can see the very beautiful blue skies and the very clear sea waters. We are very lucky when we arrive there. We are the only one who visits the Halea Nature Park. We are only boat there. I think we are the. I think it's everyone needs to pay 100 for this island protection fee. So only two. And and the guide tours guide first help us to climb to the top of this island. The most famous tourist place for Masbate city definitely is Buntod, Reef Marine Sanctuary. This is located at the city, and In fact, it's a kind of the sandbar. So they in the daytime they have several kind of time. When you go there, they are still this sandbar still not show appear. So it's still at the water, but you already can walking on the sandbar. But it's around dinner time or 4 to 5 p.m. The sandbar, the high water already see. So you already the sandbar will appear. So you can just walk on the sandbar without touching any kind of seawater.
The tide already go down, so the sandbar already on the surface of the sea. We can working here. Stop the outer, and it's just happened 1 hour ago. Just exactly 1 hour ago.